In this video, I will show you how to change GitHub password. So to get started, go ahead and open GitHub on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into your account. Now on GitHub, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen presented by your profile icon. So click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and then under this you'll find the settings button. So click on settings. This will redirect you to the settings. So in here, go ahead and scroll down at the left side of your screen and then look for password and authentication. So click on password and authentication, and under this, you'll be able to find your password section. So in here, click on the change password button at the right side of the password section. And then in here, you'll need to go ahead and enter your old password and then create a new password and confirm it. Now, after you do that, you can go ahead and proceed by updating your password by clicking on the update password button. And that's basically how you can change GitHub password.